Two-factor authentication, not working on arrived homes fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on arrived homes, it might seem like a serious issue, but the surprising truth is that most of the time, it's just a small technical glitch that you can fix quickly. Let's start with the most common problem: time synchronization. Two-factor authentication codes are time-based, so if your phone's clock isn't perfectly aligned with arrived home servers, your codes won't work. To fix this, go to your phone settings, enable set time automatically, and restart your phone. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, open it, go to time correction for codes, and press sync now. If you're using text message verification and not receiving the codes, check your mobile signal or switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data. Sometimes weak connections or carrier delays prevent short code messages from being delivered on time. Next, make sure both your Arrived Homes app and your Authenticator app are updated to their latest versions. Outdated apps can cause syncing issues or expired code errors. If you recently changed phones, deleted your Authenticator app, or lost access to it, you'll need to reset your FA. On the Arrived Homes login page, click Can't Access FA and follow the guided verification process. Once verified, you can re-enable two-factor authentication on your new device safely. Here's a tip most people overlook. After resetting your FA, always save your backup recovery codes in a secure password manager or encrypted file. This way, if you ever lose access again, you can recover instantly. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on Arrived Homes, don't stress. It's usually a timing or update issue, not an account problem. By syncing your device time, checking your network, and updating your apps, you quickly regain access to your account and keep your property investments safe and secure.